Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your and Fred Boxing's reviews and collecting of diecast cars. Today we're going to be unboxing two brand new 2021 Hot Wheels with my special guest. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're doing the Mad Manga. This is from Hot Wheels Art Cars, number 10 of 10 for each of them. Second color in green, first color in yellow, and these are pretty cool. Not sure what they're based off of.
Me neither.
But they're 159 of 250. I think it's based on like a Japanese style car. They're both on a USA card. The first one is from Case J, GRY39. And Hot Wheels Art Cars are colorful, art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. This next one is from M Case, GTC32. And I personally like this one better. So my special guest is going to open up the green one. I'm going to show him how to open the yellow one. I'll bring it down and kind of like do that. Ah, terrible open. Well, that's what the yellow one looks like. Now, take the green one right in front of the camera. And just like open it up. Try to keep it clean. Hey, that's not too bad of an open. All right, and now, nice open.
Probably came right out.
Came right out. Oh gosh. All right, we're gonna start off with yellow. It's like a manga tuner car. You can see those exhaust pipes sticking out really nice. It's a nice look at that. You can see the Tampo designs.
I think what sticks out the most is the thing on the top.
Ooh, yeah, that's right. It has a W apostrophe S for the 2021 Hot Wheels. If you take all the Hot Wheels art cars from this year and take the tops of them, put them together like side by side, it'll spell out I Heart Hot Wheels. This is the yellow one. Really liking the yellow one. Got AeroDisc wheels that spun pretty well. I mean, they're really small wheels, so. Mad Manga. Interior, can you see the inside? Oh, the driving is on the right side, guys. Red interior, loving all the colors. The wheels, I love the blue color of the wheels. Just a cool little vehicle. Let's go with the newest, the M Case version. I love this one better. Has a lime finish to it. And you can see like the pink black tampos on this versus the red and black. Man, I love the color combinations on this. Plastic on the bottom. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and watched this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more. And
subscribe to Sam Diecasts and Sam Variety Films. Better do both.
Or else.
Or else he's gonna come to your house and do what?